cute little laddus. Do you know who is this? This is letter A. This is letter A. And the sound of this letter is A. Ants on my arm. A. Ants on my arm. A. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm. My cute little laddus, now do you know who is this? Do you know who is this? This is letter B. This is letter B. And the sound of this letter is bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. 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 The sound of this letter is B. Now who is this? This is letter C. And the sound of this letter is we are clicking castanets, ka-ka-ka. We are clicking castanets, ka-ka-ka. We are clicking castanets, we are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets, ka-ka-ka, ka-ka-ka. Oh, who is this? This is letter D. And the sound of this letter is see me play on my drum. Playing drums is a lot of fun. With a da-da-da-da-da-da-da. The sound of D is da. Now who is this? Oh, this is letter E. And the sound of this letter is eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Crack the eggs like this, eh, eh, eh. Oh my God, who is this? This is letter F. And the sound of this letter is my friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. With a fur for here, with a fur for there. Here a fur, there a fur, everywhere a fur, fur. Fur, fur, fur. The sound of letter F is fur. Now who is this? Oh, this is letter G. Letter G. And the sound of this letter is the water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. With a g. The sound of G is g. Children, keep learning letters and their sounds. See you again. Bye. I love you.